What's up guys, Nubdub here, back with another video. So today I'm going to be installing the Renegade Euro taillights for my Shelby GT350. So these taillights, they're sold by like American Muscle and CJ Pony Parts. I got them from CJ Pony Parts during the holiday sale, and they still keep the 2015 through 2017 taillight design. Me personally, I wanted to stick with that design since that's what came with the GT350, and I think that's kind of like one of its defining traits. So I kind of wanted to keep that design, and I do like the simplicity of it, the straight edges versus the kind of like the angled ones. I mean, the 18 plus taillights look awesome. I really like that one too, but me personally, I think I kind of preferred the straight taillight design. So what I'm gonna do for this video is I'm gonna first quickly like wipe a ceramic spray on the taillights to just kind of get that ceramic coating effect. It'll help protect the longevity of the taillights. Once I get that done, then I'll just jump right into the install. So yeah, stay tuned. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna quickly wipe these taillights down with alcohol. Got my alcohol wipes right here. So that's gonna pretty much prep the taillights, like the surface of the taillights for the coating. And then I have my Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, which I'm gonna apply right after the alcohol. And you know, this stuff works really well. It's a pretty strong ceramic spray coating. I think it says it can last 6 months with one coat. Yeah, I'm planning on applying 2 coats, which they say should last about a year. So yeah, let's see how this goes. Alright, so the taillights have been ceramic coated. Well, this is like the closest I can get to a ceramic coating without actually being like, you know, a professional grade or heavy, like a true ceramic coating. This Turtle Wax Hybrid Solutions ceramic spray coating, it works really well. You should check out the reviews for it. Some YouTubers have done some stress testing on this product, and it's very durable. It's one of the, I guess, best budget ceramic spray sealants out there. And it performs really well. I've seen comparisons to like the higher, like the premium brands like CarPro, Gion, things like that, and this holds up really well compared to them. So yeah, now we're gonna start with the install. All right, so starting with the install, I removed the I don't even know what you call this, or the trunk floor cover. I don't know. You know, the thing that covers the spare tire wheel well and the pump, the air pump. So I think what needs to be done is there's this plate right here, this plastic trim plate. I just have to remove this by unscrewing these, these screws. I just have to unscrew it, and then this comes off. And then I think I also have to remove this push pin right here. This will allow me to take out the trunk lining, or the trunk liner. There's one over here on this side too, and I also have to unbolt the subwoofer, which shouldn't be too hard because there's these bolts right here. You know, I just have to loosen them, and then I think I just unplug the subwoofer. And yeah, hopefully this should be a pretty straightforward install. All right, so as you can see, I just popped this plastic trim out. You just need to put a little bit of effort into it. So yeah, I unscrewed those 4 plastic screws that I showed you. So kind of, you can see that's where they screw in. And then once you unscrew those, you kind of just have to kind of like fiddle with it. Make sure you kind of, what I did was I pushed these 2 sides out so that they were out of these bolts. And then I kind of just, from down here, I kind of just lifted up, and then, which I heard like a click, and then I just pulled it out, and yeah, it came off. So yeah, this seems to work. It's just gonna be slow. So I think I pretty much got the taillight off. So it's all unbolted. I just have to, I think, get that wiring harness. Just have to unplug that. I think that's like just a rubber grommet. And then, yeah, I think it should be off. Alright, so the driver's side taillight is in. I just plugged it into the wiring harness, so moment of truth. I'm gonna unlock the car and see if the taillights turn on. Let's go! Yeah, as you can see, since these taillights, you know, with the running light on, it has a slightly different shade of red than this is the stock. This is the Euro, so a slightly different shade. These aren't the true Euro spec, because I think these are like, the true Euro spec is more like an amber, but I'm still happy with this. I just wanted the clear taillight look, and yeah, this delivers. So now I'm just gonna put all the nuts and bolts back on, and then gonna tackle the passenger side, which is the hardest side, just because I have to take out that subwoofer. So as you can see, I just removed the subwoofer. Yeah, there's a little plug right here that I just have to take out. It's like right there. All right, so now that I've removed the sub, yeah, as you can see, that green wiring harness, that's the subwoofer harness. So I believe it's the same process to get the passenger side taillight on. Just have to remove this push pin. And then unbolt the taillight, disconnect the taillight's wiring harness, and then just pop the new one in. Alright, finally we are putting the passenger side taillight in. Get this wiring harness through the hole and make sure the grommet is seated. Whew, alright, that was kind of a pain in the ass to plug in. But yeah, passenger side taillight is plugged in. So moment of truth to see if they light up. Beautiful. Just beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comments. Do you prefer the original OEM red taillights, or do you like the clear Euro spec taillights more? Yeah, love to hear your thoughts. So before I actually drive the car, I want to make sure that the brake lights work. Alright, so I'm out here in this parking lot. About to shoot some cinematic shots of of these new taillights. So I'm probably going to conclude the video here. So yeah, if you like what you saw, please leave a like, hit that subscribe button. Your support, it really motivates me to keep making videos. And I'm also making them for myself as well. I've really been enjoying the YouTube journey. So yeah, hit a like, subscribe, leave a comment if you like the Euros or if you prefer the old taillights, and I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.